Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix WhatsApp unable to connect, please try again later issue. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Make sure the first thing you do is check your internet connection. WhatsApp requires an active internet connection to work. Make sure you have a stable internet connection on your device. You can try resetting your router or switching to a different network to see if that resolves the issue. And if your internet connection is stable, the second thing would be to make sure you're running the latest version of WhatsApp. And if not, update the app from your device App Store or Google Play Store. So let's head to the Play Store and now type down WhatsApp. Here you can see if any new update is available, you'll be able to see the update button next to it. Simply click on the update button. Now with this much, if your WhatsApp starts working, then that's great for you. But if it still doesn't, then the next thing to do is clear WhatsApp cache. For that, go to your device's setting and now scroll down and select apps. Find WhatsApp and select storage, and then tap the clear cache button in the bottom right. Once you've done this, it would be better if you restart your device. Sometimes restarting your device can help fix connectivity issues. And if you want a better performance, then it would be great if you would reinstall the WhatsApp application. If none of the previous steps work, then try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp app. So with this, your WhatsApp would definitely come back to shape. But if the issue still persists after trying all these steps, the last thing you'd want to do is contact WhatsApp support for further assistance. So these are the steps, or this way you can fix the WhatsApp unable to connect, try again later issue. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.